Today's topic for discussion is a fungal disease of human beings. Name of the disease is aspergillosis. The disease it is caused by a species of aspergillus. There are several species of aspergillus which causes different types of diseases of human beings. The disease aspergillus it is caused by the fungus and it is a moldy fungus. The moldy fungus name is given because it produces numerous spores. Many spores are produced in humid environment. The fungus enters into the body of human through respiratory system. This fungus causes various types of symptoms in affected person. The moldy growth of the fungus when it occurs inside the body of the human beings becomes ill. The illness of the human beings is very common because of the fungal spores when they interact with the the lungs of the human beings. Okay, this fungus, this aspergillus, which causes the aspergillosis disease, that occurs everywhere. It occurs in soil. It is very common in dust. The spores are very commonly present in air. Everywhere this fungus is present, and many times we have seen in the fridge when it can grow on bread, it can grow on vegetables, stored fruits, etc. And this is a very common fungus. Everywhere it has been distributed, and there are several species of aspergillus. Few of them cause human diseases, and the people with weak immunity are more susceptible for the fungal disease. The human beings having asthma also are very susceptible for infection of aspergillus. And the airborne spores of the fungus, which are very small in size and very light in weight, they are very easily carried from one place to another, and that are easily inhaled by a person or the human being, and through respiratory system the spores reach to the lungs. Most of the species of the aspergillus, they are harmless, but few of them causes very dangerous diseases of human beings. Okay, recently garbage has been increased in the city, and all open land of the country is occupied by several types of organic matter openly, and such that the organic matter is the best food. It is the best medium for the growth and development of several types of fungi which causes human diseases as well as animal diseases. And the fungus which occurs on decayed leaves, plant debris of any type of plant, this is the saprophytic fungus. Aspergillus, it is the saprophytic fungus that can grow on any type of dead organic matter of plant and animals, etc. When this fungus enters into the lungs of the human beings, the disease is caused, which is known as aspergillosis, as shown in the photograph. And which type of symptoms are developed? See the photograph. Initially, the human beings inhale the spores. The spores reach to the lung. Inside the lung, the spores germinate and produce hyphal threads. Hyphae, it is the thallus of the fungus. Hyphae are thread-like structures, and the aspergillus consists of septate hyphae. The mycelium of aspergillus is septate. It consists of septate hyphae. Hyphae are thread-like structures. It is the part of the thallus of the fungus. Okay, the hyphae absorb food material from wall of the human lungs and grow on the surface. Gradually, the fungus increase in quantity into the lung of the human being, and at this stage, the infected person feels to have fever and chills. After that, coughing continues. The cough that brings up blood and several spores mixed in the sputum or mixed in the blood, and person feels shortness of breath, joint pain starts, even headache continues. Such type of symptoms are caused by the fungus, that is aspergillus, when it enters into the lungs of the human beings, and the disease is known as aspergillosis. Infected person becomes irritative in behavior. He or she feels depressed, feels very weak, In severe cases of disease development, spots on the skin occurs. These are the prominent symptoms caused by Aspergillus type of fungus, and the disease is known as aspergillosis. And this is a very recent, in the recent year, aspergillosis is very common disease of human race. Aspergillus is not contagious from person to person. It is not transmitted from person to person. But sometimes in severe cases we have to take care, we have to be very careful when the spores release out through respiratory system. When the excess growth of the fungus takes place inside the patient, lungs of the patient, and during respiration the spores, it is possible that the spores mixed with sputum comes out of the lungs by during coughing process. Okay, the people having weak immune system and low white blood cells in the body, such pupils who are having asthma or long term treatment of heart disease, such people with weak immunity are affected by the fungal infection. Okay, and the species of aspergillus which causes human diseases, there are few species which causes human diseases, and the disease is known as aspergillosis. The species are, it is a very common Aspergillus flavus. It is a very common fungus. And second, Aspergillus niger. Aspergillus niger, every time we see on whenever we store the onion during humid environment, during humid environment, entire onion that becomes black because of the Aspergillus niger, growth of the Aspergillus niger. And everybody know that black powder associated with the onion, that is the Aspergillus niger. It is a very dangerous fungus. Okay. Next, Aspergillus fumigatus. It is also one more species of the Aspergillus. These three species are very commonly observed in the lung diseases of human beings, and the disease is known as aspergillosis. Okay. The most common and conventional treatment of aspergillosis is use of drugs. There are several types of drugs recommended by the MD doctors, human doctors, and that you have to take in severe cases, because when it is not severe, that time we can control it by the use of different types of different types of food or different types of fruit juices, etc. But when it becomes very severe, you have to take the suggestion of the doctors. And this is all about the disease of fungus which is known as aspergillosis. Okay, and let us see its types in next slide. Okay, thank you very much. Be clean, be safe.